This election is the most important election of our lifetime.
According to a new study by the Stanford University researchers, about 18 election rallies by the President Donald Trump are estimated to have led to more than 30,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and likely led to more than 700 deaths, stressing that the communities where the Trump rallies took place paid a huge price in terms of disease and death. In the study, titled The Effect of Large Group Meetings on the Spread of COVID-19, the Case of Trump Rallies, researchers concluded that 18 rallies by the Trump held between June 20 to September 22 ultimately resulted in more than 30,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19. The researchers said that their analysis strongly supports the warnings and recommendations of public health officials concerning the risk of COVID-19 transmission at large group gatherings, particularly when the degree of compliance with the guidelines concerning the use of masks and social distancing is low. The communities in which Trump rallies took place paid a high price in terms of disease and death. Reacting to a Twitter post on the study, Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden said that President Trump doesn't even care about you, he doesn't even care about his own supporters. Center for Disease Control and Prevention has advised that large in-person events, particularly in settings where participants do not wear masks or practice social distancing, pose a substantial risk of further contagion. The research points out that there is a reason to fear that such gatherings can serve as a super spreader events, severely undermining the efforts to control the pandemic. The researchers said Trump rallies have several distinguishing features that led themselves to this inquiry, adding that attendees at the Trump rallies numbered in thousands and sometimes in tens of thousands. The research also pointed out that these rallies did not stick to the guidelines concerning the use of masks and social distancing norms and also downplay the risk of infections. These features highlight the risk that a rally could become a super spreader event.